I so wanted to add sell signals across the board, but I'm just not ready to pull the trigger. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, kicking off the week here, Monday, March 6, 2017, and the markets go bearish. Talked about that in the weekend edition video that we were at resistance. Small caps down 0.7%, banks down the same, financials down 0.8%, leading the downward draft. We have crude oil at break even, but gold and silver negative territory, and the VIX higher by 2.55%, fear increasing. Here we are looking at the S&P 500. This is a good old-fashioned pullback, guys. To be quite frank, this is still bullish. This is the whole reason I've not put a sell signal on the main indices. Not yet. Even with a big bearish divergence on the MACD across the board. That could come out to bite me with a big red candlestick Tuesday. However, we are still above all major moving averages in the S&P 500. The diamonds, though, on the other hand, the Dow, there's a trend line here that we did drop below, but not a major one. And we're still above the AEMA. All is pretty well still here in the markets. No huge alarm warnings at this moment. Nasdaq, big trend line, did break down below it, but above the rising AEMA. And small caps. Small caps did break a big line. I went ahead and kept a sell signal on this one, or I added a sell signal here, because small caps did break a big line down below 20-day moving average. Bad problems for that. But I could still see a bounce, but I see major resistance up above it. Problem city in the Russell's 2000 small caps. Banks, same thing. Have a sell on that. I'm going to keep it because of this big, gnarly trend line that it broke down below. That is no good for the markets. This is broken ice. Bad things are going to come. Bad news. Financials, though, all is well. No sell signal there. We're still within all major moving averages up above them. It's a bull pullback. All looks well in the world. U.S. dollar flat, building up what's called a bullish pennant. Up. This is the up leg. This is the flag, a little pennant, and those can get bullish. Crude oil, call it a sell. I still remain on my sell on crude oil. Gold, I called it a sell. I'm still on the sell side of gold. Silver, the same thing. I called it a sell. Still on the sell side, building a low base or even a bearish pennant. Bad news there. I want to take a look at Snap and see what Apple did. Before I do, we have a mentorship coming up. Keisha, when is that mentorship? Is it next? March 18th, 19th, and 20th. That's a Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We take it online all day long, 9 a.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern. And if you're in the United States or in a country that you can make those Eastern times, then you can join us at the cost of what a nice trading computer would do, and we'll give you lifelong mentoring in exchange. Very cool for you. Now I want to go to my tech stocks. Apple, I wanted to take a look at that. See, Apple's building this high base, guys. This is pretty bullish. A trade over 140 area, 140 and a half would be a pretty good trade, actually, on Apple. And Snap down 12%. So there's your sell-off. This is big news. All right, so I'm going to pull up a 5-minute chart so you can see this bloodbath. This is a 5-minute chart. The market opened. We go higher, and then we dropped. And then we dropped. We opened here. Hold on. Where'd we open? We opened right here, big gap, and then we crashed and burned. And then we just tapered downward the rest of the day. Big drop. If I go to let's go a 1 hour chart. Whoops, 1 hour chart. You can see this, just a nosedive all day long. The daily chart, the daily chart, gapped up and just sold off at the day's low. This is reality smacking snap in the face. If you like it, I like it. See you guys on the 18th for the mentorship.